I am now using this wet and dry air-powered bucket to support the floor. It has 4 modes: scraping, dry cleaning, deep cleaning, and deep scraping. I know how to run around and wash it. And I also made 2 layers of melon tooth pads here. When it gets dirty, I can easily scrape off the room on it. I need to squeeze it, rinse it twice, then scrape it dry. Mopping this kind of tiled wooden floor at home is not easy to leave water marks. The flexible rotating mop head can take care of the bottom of the hair and can easily enter. You can use it to spray and mop dirt and footprints on the floor. This is a mop bucket storage with a one-hand design. It's pretty good even in this kind of gap and doesn't take up any space at all. When the dragonfly tail soap is used up, put the remaining water back and drip it directly onto the sponge below, and it will become a sponge with its own cleaning fluid. You can wipe your hands cleanly on the sink, and it also has a small brush.
Now let's find out how to get the product in the video. There are 3 different ways to get the product. The first method is to buy from one of the stores that sell tools and household appliances, scattered around or near us. The second method, Facebook pages for selling home appliances. The third method, through websites that sell home appliances and ship them to different countries of the world. The following are the most important of these websites: Amazon and eBay and Walmart and Bestbuy, also Target and Lowe's. I will leave you the electronic addresses of these sites in the description of this video. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the alerts button so that you receive notification or alert of each new video. Also, do not forget to like the video.